Well, hello. It's Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And yesterday I said I was going to talk about autophagy. Because when you go into dry fast, you end up in autophagy. You do it every night for a few hours. You've got macro, micro, and chaperone-mediated autophagy. They come on at different hours of the night. As soon as you go to bed, in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, you go into macro. A couple hours later, you go into micro. And then right before you wake up, you end up in chaperone-mediated autophagy, which is the one you really want to get. Because this is the one that's important, especially if you've had the injection, shall I put it. Because when you're in chaperone-mediated autophagy long enough, okay, when you can actually capitalize on the process called ubiquination, which is ubiquinone tags onto these old proteins like mRNAs and stuff and drags them over to a proteasome to grind it up, then you end up with a situation where you can dissolve all the stuff that they put inside of you. It takes about 5 to 7 days to do that because it takes a long time to attach enough ubiquinones to these aberrant proteins, but they do have an Achilles heel. It's called the AU-rich sites, which they use to construct these things in the lab. And the ubiquinones go right to those sites, tag a bunch of ubiquinones on there, and then they drag it over to a proteasome where it ends up going into basically a molecular wood chipper, and everything just chipped up back into energetic peptides and amino acids. So that's the thing with autophagy. And it doesn't happen very well at night because it's not long enough to be in chaperone-mediated autophagy. Because if it takes 8 hours to get into that form and that phase, you're about to wake up if you haven't already, and as soon as you eat, autophagy ends. So it's kind of hardwired to get sicker and sicker in a way, unless you dry fast every now and then. Dry fasting is a really, really interesting way to keep yourself healthy. And get the book, The Phoenix Protocol. Talks about all these different aspects about dry fasting, especially autophagy, and all the good things that come from it. Anyway, just a little quick video today on that, and I will talk to you tomorrow.